Hey y'all, thank you so much again for meeting me here once again. My name is Camille, of course you can call me Mill, and today I have got 10 life hacks that you might not know about. These are pretty interesting. So stick around, stay tuned, and let's get started. This hack is for the summertime where it is hot outside, but unfortunately, so is your car, especially that seatbelt. So the next time you're out running errands, just turn around, grab the seatbelt, and actually put it back into the seatbelt holder. That way, when you get back in, you don't have to worry about that hot metal burning your hand. Yikes. Ever gotten into a new car or even a rental and wondered what side of the car the gas tank was on? Well, just check your gas gauge. That arrow points to exactly what side the car it's on. Have you ever gotten ready to pack yourself some snacks only to realize, wait, I only have one bag left? Oh, that's all right. I got a hack for you. So what you're actually going to do is you're going to take that one Ziploc bag that you have left and you're going to cut it right down the middle. You're going to cut it actually all the way through the top and through the Ziploc seal there. I've now got 2 bags instead of one. Take a lighter and please be safe, you guys. And what you're going to do is reseal this bag. So you're just going to quickly run over the edge of it. And of course it will start to curl, as you can kind of see up there at the top. And you're just going to take your fingers and just kind of reinforce it. So as you're seeing it curling, there you go. And then you'll also do the top where the zip seal is, because it's actually going to close itself as well. I'm going to open it and show you guys with my 2 fingers. Look how amazing. And of course I'm going to take one of my favorite Trader Joe's snacks, which is the olive oil popcorn. If you know, you know. And I'm also going to make a mess. Don't mind me, it's totally fine. It's going to get in there too. And look, I have got an entirely new Ziploc bag, and now I have not 1 but 2 bags. Now, one thing I absolutely love is ice cream. But does my lactose intolerance like it? No, not so much. So I'm gonna put it away. But have you ever struggled to scoop out your ice creams because it's so hard at the top? I got a hack for you. Take a Ziploc bag and put your ice cream in the actual bag. What that does is that, of course, allows the ice cream to still stay frozen, but it's still very soft to the touch when you're ready to scoop some out. So just snap that right on up, put it in your freezer, and whenever you're ready to not struggle to get ice cream out of the pint, there you go. If you've had a Band-Aid either easily come off or even cut off your circulation, this hack is for you. I'm gonna open this Band-Aid and take off the little panels there, sticky panels. I'm gonna get those scissors and cut a line that goes right before the little bandage area. So you'll see better on this side, where I'm cutting all the way up to right before the bandage. And so when I bring my finger down, you'll see that I have 4 slits on either side of that Band-Aid. What I'm doing now is doing kind of like an alternating crisscross. So one side goes over, then I'll take one from the other side and bring it down. Then take one from the other side, bring it up. Take one from the other side and bring it down. Actually, that was more across, but there you go. You can move your finger and it's not going anywhere. Sometimes I think we can forget how easy it is for mold and mildew to grow in dark and damp places, and our washer machine is actually one of them. kind of gross when you think about it. So next time that you're finished using your washing machine, make sure to leave the lid up. It actually allows it to completely air out without the mold. I know I cannot be the only person who wears the necklaces that are, not real. You know, they're $5.99. It's fine. Sometimes they get a little rusty. So before they do, take some clear fingernail polish and paint right over your necklace or jewelry, whatever jewelry that you have that is not real. That way, after it's dried, and it actually only takes a few minutes, you can put it right on and, do a little stun. This hack is for those of us who love to use our phones with multiple apps running, but hate the fact that the battery dies so quickly when we do it. So, of course, I look to the closest outlet so that I can charge my phone. But this hack actually allows your phone to charge faster. Next time you're ready to charge your phone, put it in airplane mode. The less power the phone is consuming, the quicker it'll charge. So you have your bracelet, and all you will need is a paper clip. Okay, you have your paper clip here, and what you'll do is just take it, the middle part here, just open it up like that, so it's like an S shape. Okay, so you'll take your bracelet, okay, and this is where all the holes are. So we will take one end of the paper clip, put it in whichever hole that we want to clasp our bracelet around. Then we will put that, well, depending on which arm you're gonna put it in. I'm gonna put it on my left arm. So I'm gonna hold the paper clip in my left hand. And actually, I'm gonna hold it like this. Okay, so the S is like this. It's already wrapped around this side, the side that I'm going to put the lock in. Okay, you can see that. All right, so I will then take the claw and open it up, as you can see there. And then I'm actually going to wrap it around my wrist. Then take this claw, put it through the loop, slide this baby on out, and there you go. If you've bought shoes that are too tight but love them too much to return them, this hack's for you. So I'm actually taking my fluffy sock along with the shoe that I'm wanting to stretch out just a little bit more, and I am fitting my foot into the shoe as best as I can and zipping it up so that I can actually blow some hot air into the shoe to stretch it out even more. So I'm actually going to put the dryer on a medium heat setting, and the force of the blow from the blow dryer, I'll keep it at low because I don't want it to be too intense. So I'm only going to hold it on the tight areas for just a few minutes, not long at all. And I'm going to hit the other side just to stretch open that area around the ankle. And now that I'm done, I'm just going to take off my shoe, of course, as well as my sock. Put my newly comfortable fitting shoes, yes ma'am, on. Oh, I am so happy. Happy dance here. So, which ones did you already know about? Which ones did you not know about? Which ones are you actually gonna try? Let me know down below. I'll definitely be doing more of these. This was so much fun to do. Let me know what you think. See you in the next video.